Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to generate your Halloween photo for free with this good website I found. And the name of the website is deepfakemaker.io. All you have to do is to sign up, click on this other area, scroll down, choose the AI Halloween, and then you'll be able to generate amazing pictures just like this. This is the normal picture of the guy, and he was able to generate it into this, and this photo of this lady, she made it into this. So all you have to do is to just upload your original photo with your face clearly shown and lit here, just like this image here. Then you can now input your idea you want, or say something like I want a Dracula image, or you can even just use ChatGPT to make it sound more professional, or polish the image idea you have, and then you can input it here. Select your image ratio and click generate now, and your image will be properly generated for you, just like we've seen in this particular image here. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe and take lots of water.